to SRI's podcast. I'm your host Abhishek Jha, and today we have with us our new topper, Bhawani Sankar.
Hello.
So, first of all, congratulations, Bhawani, for clearing the OPSC OCS 2023.
Thank you, Abhishek.
And you've got a very good rank of 242.
Yeah.
So, how this journey started, and what was the spark that has led to choose you this profession?
So I started my journey in 2022 of August and completing my post-graduation in economics from Central University, Rajasthan. I came back home. I belong to the district of Baleswar. So I started my preparation from Baleswar itself.
Okay.
So basically the spark was during our college days, during graduation days in Ravensa, where we used to talk about how administrations, how public policy and the essence of power.
Okay.
These things have always revolved in my mind. So I thought, let's give it a shot.
Okay.
I have completed my PG in BEd. So I thought before entering into education background, let's give a shot to civil services. So in my first preparation, I gave my mains. In my second, I gave the interview.
Okay.
In my third, I cleared with 242 rank.
Okay, so you had a step-by-step plan,
journey. Yeah.
and you have regularly improved yourself in
Yes.
each of your attempt, and finally got the merit list.
Yeah.
So, what was your preparation strategy? How did you manage to remain focused with? Because in this civil service preparation, there are a lot of resources, and it is also being called that ocean of resources, we can say. So how did you manage to keep your resources limited and stayed focused?
For prelims, I extensively focused on PYQs, specifically the UPSC PYQs. They will all this public platform. Just practice all the PYQs. That will help in improving the basic concepts.
Okay.
That what the civil service questions are being asked.
Okay.
Prepare your theory, like for polity, go to Lakshmikant. For history, go to Spectrum. Basic books. Don't go here and there. Basic books. And before going to any test series, prepare with PYQs. After PYQs, I have taken some test series. I didn't take any test series from Odisha. Rather, I take the available test series of all the Delhi materials. Out of that, Subraranjan was also there. Vizanayas was there. I have taken that. And that helped me. PYQs and the test series of UPSC institutes.
Okay.
And for mains, I'm telling honestly, limited syllabus. The main syllabus is not like prelims that they can ask from anywhere. They have a very precise syllabus. The motive is to read each and every part of the syllabus.
Okay.
And second thing, which is very important, I think many people don't do that. Go to any website and download the PYQ, the test copies of the toppers.
Okay.
See their copies and how they are framing the answer, how they are representing it in the paper. Once you do that, you will know that I I have content. I know how to write the answer. I just need a framework.
Yes.
After you are done with that, just revisit your resources and just add on the current affairs. That's the resource. That's the mantra for mains.
They need to keep evaluating.
Evaluating.
Over the
Go
time.
on evaluating over the time, because if you are lucky, you will get it in the first attempt. Not just lucky, your merit and luck both needs to be together. Like, but further, if you want that your mains mark, because mains is the rank giver, and if you score good in mains, whatever you do, if you do okay in interview, you can also get good rank.
You can get in the merit list.
Yeah, get in the merit list. So if you stronghold your mains preparation, if you give proper structure and content, what the question is asking, the motive is to fulfill the demand of the question.
Yes.
And that thing can be achieved if you continuously start preparing, start writing, and at the very same time also see the toppers copy, because how they have done it, so we can also replicate it.
Yes.
That's one of my approach for mains.
For mains.
Yeah.
So what was the number of revisions you have made for your mains preparation?
Because this is my third attempt.
Okay.
So this process itself is long. For this third attempt, I have at least 3 or 4 times revised for mains, because I have written 3 times mains itself.
Yes.
And further, I have also given test series.
So this revision is included all of your attempts, or only this particular attempt?
This particular attempt, it was 3 times. But for the very first time, when I appeared in the first mains, I was very clueless.
Okay.
I directly purchased the test series and I start writing, but I don't know what I was writing. I was writing in a very theoretical way, no structure, nothing, just like a paragraph. And I know I have not done well enough, and that's why I was out from the mains list.
Okay.
But over the period of time, I watched various toppers copy, gave test series, took feedback. Further, I have improved my writing.
Okay, so this was a test series where the key for getting the good marks.
Yeah, test series and toppers copy.
Toppers
Also,
copies. So that was your personal strategy
Yeah.
for the mains preparation.
Yeah.
Now coming to the interview, what was your approach for the interview? And because this was your first interview,
Yeah.
right?
No, this was my second interview.
Second interview.
Previous time I have given interview.
Okay.
My interview mark was 160, and I was out from the merit list for 5 marks.
Okay, so your interview was also you got a good marks
Yeah.
in your earlier
Yeah.
interview as well, and rather than this. So, what was your approach for interview preparation?
I believe interview preparation is not a particular approach, but rather how your grown up is. If you are from English medium, you are a good orator. You have participate in debates and all. Then it will go smooth for you. But you have not done anything. Then you need to go to some institute and give mock test, mock interviews that will help you to improve your speaking skills and will let you know which part you need to focus. I have given 3 or 4 mock interviews, and out of that, SRIS was one. So I think that was enough for me.
Okay, so what is your approach from your perspective? What does the interviewer evaluates from the candidate?
Interview when we give mock interview, we usually see the whoever the interview is, whoever taking the interview, he used to grill. But in real interview, it is very calm. It's like drawing room talks.
Yes.
They talk very calmly, very gently and politely. They just want to know whether you can speak properly, whether you know the basics like polity basics questions, like some current related things that you are well aware of or not. That's the basic thing. They just want the administrator to know what's going around.
Okay.
They just don't want any great orator. They just want someone who knows around what is going on.
Yes, and that should be authentic.
Yeah, that should be authentic, and someone should not fake it in the interview.
Yes,
that is more important.
And if you would have to give one advice to your younger self when you have just started the preparation, so what that advice would be?
I would like to say that this journey will be long. Don't just get demotivated with one defeat or two. When you will win, may it be take 2 years, 3 years, we will all feel that it was all worth it.
Yes.
Because all the love, all the proud moment of your parents, the felicitations, the recognitions, they are all worth it. It may take time, but don't just give up. Just give your best. If you know that you are doing well, you can give it. You can do it. Just give another chance.
Yes,
that's what I will say.
And to see heaven, you have to die.
To see heaven, you have to go through hell.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it was a great conversation with you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Bhawani, for joining our podcast today.
Thank you, Abhishek.